Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Jedi's TV. Today's video guys is we're gonna show you our tools here in our workshop. Okay, let's go. As you see guys, follow Facebook, Jedi's TV and YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. Here are our tools guys to be shown. Here's first step is our plan or the measurement of our project. Here is gonna show you guys the width, the sizes of the window, doors and CR. There's the width and the height. This is the measurement. We're gonna use only the centimeter guys, like this centimeter. This is the tape measure. We only use here centimeter guys, millimeter and centimeter and meter. I will show you guys the other tools we needed. This is the plan for the kitchen. We're gonna use the marker so that we're gonna put the writings in our paper and the plan also of the engineer. Here's our marker. Here our T-square so that we can cut nicely and perfectly, and also masking tape. We're gonna use our simple tools guys. I'm gonna show you guys. This is our toolbox. This is all of the screw we have, the rivets, fastening, and also drill bits, tools, pliers, riveter and hammer, also star screw, screwdriver is very important, also blade, cutter, and also the flat screw. This is only a simple tools guys. And also very important is level bar. This is the level bar guys, and also battery drill guys, battery drill. And then we also tools, markers, and also the special tools guys, the pencil. There's a screw, different kinds of screw, rivets, screw from the cement, plugs, and also drill bits for the big holes, and also extension wire and small drill bit, and also our glass sucker to hold the glass, grinder and hacksaw, also a drill, jackhammer guys for the cement. And I will show you the drill guys, the table drill, and also miter saw, small miter saw for outside work and the location. And also the guys, the what you call this is the router, Makita guys brand router. We're gonna hold different kind of hole of our aluminum. It depends on the profile. We can adjust here, in here, and also here hold the aluminum. And we need also our caliper. This is our caliper to make the measurement precisely, grinder, and also different kinds of screws. This is our table guys, as you see, hammer, and then grip, table grip. It's very important guys to hold the aluminum or the different kinds of aluminum we're gonna drill. Screwdriver, and then the file, different kinds of file, flat file, round file, half moon file. Also this is for cleaning. And then what else? And this is very important guys, table saw. So see guys, table saw. Okay, we're gonna adjust the blade here, and the blade will gonna come out. Let me show you guys. The blade will gonna come out here. This is used for cutting different kinds of formica, aluminum, or any cutting that it will fit here. Formica guys, is gonna cut the formica here, and the aluminums, and also the very important guys, the machine, the cutter saw machine. This is big guys, big cutter saw. Maybe there's markings here, don't know. Okay, 108 This is a big made in Italy, guys. Made in Italy. Machine is made in Italy for cutting the aluminum, and also aluminum, guys, and also our scrap aluminum here and here as our finished product, guys. And then that is very simple, guys. Also rivets, different kinds of rivets or fastening, white, beige, it depends on the aluminum we're gonna using. And also aluminum, guys. This is our simple workshop here in Saudi Arabia. Also mohair, different kinds of mohair for the aluminum fittings. Mohair, there's a beige, there's a brown, and also I'm gonna show you guys a handle for a kitchen. Rubbers, different kinds of rubber, and also silicone, and also this one tools is very important, guys, for the lock. This is Allen key or Allen rings for the adjustment of the lock. Drill, small drill, and this is the lock, guys, to show you guys. Lock for door, different kinds of lock we're gonna using here for the Allen rings, using for Allen rings or window. Blade cutter, very important. Masking tape, small drill, and what else, guys? Lock, rubber. That's all, guys. This is very simple tools we have here in our workshop channel, guys. Jerry's TV, subscribe. Hello, guys, this is not finished, guys. Awning window outside, Saudi Arabia, Middle East style. This is an awning, guys, as you see, and this is have a degree there, a little bit degree. 2 window and exhaust fan here, and here is fixed. This is awning window also. This is open from outside like that. Degree also, that's a degree, guys. This is the plan, guys. This is the plan of model. I'm gonna close it, I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna close. Oops. Okay, good. Another one. Easy closing. Thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe. I'm just a beginner, guys, in aluminum. Thank you. Support my Facebook page, J Rice. Thank you. Oh, mashallah. Number 1, Egypt. soup. Mashallah.